Ini ang GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Kasubong sang Lucky Charms, isa man sa mga ginabantayan sa pagsulod sang bagong tuig ang mga disenyo sa mga panapton nga ginalantaw nga mangin-uso. Ini ang isa sa mga ginapangandaan sang Negrense Stylist nga si Christine De Leon. Nakabase na subong sa Luzon. Si Christine ang nangin kabahin man sang grupo nga naglunsar sang COVID fashion. Dugang sini, may mga produkto man siya nga patod nga magustuhan sang mga Iloy.
This 2021 mga puso ang pamangkot. Ano ang unod sang imo aparador? Mga puso, fashion ng aton istoryahan subong kagaton ka upod si Miss Christine De Leon, isa ka stylist, entrepreneur, kag all-around mother. Hi ma'am, Happy New Year and welcome to GMA Regional TV Early Edition.
Happy New Year, Adrian, and good morning to you and your viewers as well. Hello!
Hello. This time around, let's talk about your passion for clothing and empowering women. How did you start?
This passion for women empowerment thing, I think it started after I gave birth. When I transitioned from being in the corporate world, to entrepreneurship. So when I became an entrepreneur, doon ko na-realize na you can empower women pala through fashion. Yun.
Miss Tin, recently, you even launched a collaboration project. Maluwas nga may mga kaupod ka mga artista, no? Let's call it as your take on COVID fashion. Bo, grabe. Bayo na may mask pa. Kay sino na idea?
Well, actually, it started as a personal solution to a personal problem, no? Because one of my problems talaga is I always misplace my face mask. I don't know kung saan ko siya nalalagay. Sometimes I forget to bring it whenever, di ba, we need to bring masks right now whenever we are out. So I said to myself, since may tahian naman kami, why don't I try to design a clothing, a top na may built-in mask, no? So when I discussed this with MG, she said na she has the same problems na nami-misplace na yung mask niya and she doesn't know, she often forgets her mask. And apparently, we have almost the same problems sa mga friends ko and acquaintances. So, we didn't expect it to be such a hit na such as now. Meron na kaming dresses and jumpsuits and tops na with built-in mask na siya talaga. And we have resellers na from all around the world kasi apparently, this COVID thing is not just in the Philippines, pero worldwide na siya. So all of us are looking for solutions to make this new normal easier for everyone, right?
I would want to know, this year 2021, you see more of these trends coming in? What trends are likely to capture the public this year?
Actually, if you would read fashion magazines like Vogue, marami silang fashion predictions for 2021. So number one, it's minimalism. So 2021, we will see a lot of minimalism. So when we say minimalism, yan yung mga basic clothes lang, plain silhouettes, walang masyadong kaartehan, one-step clothing, and those will be in neutral colors like nude, black, white, gray, so mga ganon, because it goes well with everything. I'm also seeing a lot of oversized in everything. So oversized top, oversized sleeves. Actually, makikita mo ngayon, especially with women, meron ng mga puff sleeves, oversized pants. And I think one of the reasons for this also na magiging hit siya in the Philippines, it's because majority of us, marami na sa atin who got promoted, right? So may mga people who got promoted from small to medium. Yun pala ibig sabihin. I myself got promoted from medium to large.
Happy New Year mga kapuso! Happy New Year!
So I think that will be very much welcome na medyo malaki ang damit natin to hide the bills, Of course, we will be seeing a lot of masks. Parang mask will be a part of our lives na. It's gonna be like our underwear, our handkerchief. Parang it's gonna be a part of who we are or what we wear.
So we have moms watching today in Western Visayas. Some are breastfeeding mothers too. You have these inventions, no, and fashionable items daw that they should also take a look at.
Yes, Adrian. So yun nga yung sabi ko kanina no, na when I transitioned into entrepreneurship, I realized that fashion can empower women. And one of the ways that I hope to help new moms, new breastfeeding moms, is through my fashion brand. We take out regular clothes and make it breastfeeding friendly. Because, you know, Adrian, whenever a person gives birth, a new mom, we often hear friends and relatives asking, "How's the baby? Is the baby eating well? Is the baby sleeping well?" But the society does not usually check up on the mom. How's the mom? Is the mom eating well? How does she feel with all the changes that has happened to her body? No, so with our clothes, we hope to empower women by making them feel good na even if you're breastfeeding, that does not stop you from being fashionable and from looking your best. So yan yung take ko on fashion empowerment through clothes.
Bisten, last na lang, pahabol lang before we end our conversation today. What's your best fashion advice for both men and women?
My best fashion advice is to be yourself and to know yourself, because if you know yourself, you know what you want, you know what feels right for you, and with that, anything looks good.
So, pasado tong pasado tong
Yes,
tawag dito,
of course.
pastel ko,
Always looking,
pang 20.
dashing, and
Thank you so much for
Very
being
good.
with us today, and thank you for imparting with us your knowledge, and of course, more than that, your tips sa ating mga breastfeeding mothers, and of course, for promoting women empowerment through fashion. Madaming salamat, and looking forward to see you diri sa aton lugar, diri sa probinsya sang Negros Occidental. God bless
yes,
you,
I miss
ma'am.
Bacolod. Bye.
O sa mga promoted dira, from small to medium, medium to large, large to XL, o kung double XL pa. Ang malagana isang aton eksperto, just be yourself, hindi magkabalaka.